Is it recording? It's recording. So, it's been a while since I made a video. And I'm recording stuff right now. A lot of stuff's been going through my life. And the other fact, I just didn't want to make a video. Because that's just not really popular in my videos. $5 says it's going to get no more than 5 views. Yeah, so it'll work out. So stuff happened. Yeah. And Valentine's Day sucked. Really was sick to my gut because of it. It wasn't because I was sad because I was like all alone for Valentine's Day. But I sent a girl this really nice card. And I asked her out the next day. And then I asked her out. But she said she'd answer me tomorrow. She didn't come to school that day. The next day she said no. And then she blocked me on Facebook. Yeah. So, I just want people to know that don't be sad because you're single. Really. Still. Speaking of which. If anybody consider going with me, put your interest in the comments. Remember that $5 says it's going to get more than 10 views. I'm just going to say 50 to be safe because I know that's not going to happen. Okay, bye.